Hi there, students. Zip, zilch, nada, zero, nil, nought, sweet Fanny Adams, diddly squat, not an iota. All of these words mean nothing. I know absolutely zip about this. This is a rather American phrase. And I know zilch about this as well. Another American phrase, nothing at all. He knows absolutely nada about this subject. Well, this is Spanish, nada, meaning nothing. Zero, the number, zero, the big O. He knows absolutely zero about this. Yeah? He understands nil of what you're talking about. Yeah, you could use it like that as well. He knows naught about this subject. Naught, the British word for zero. He knows diddly squat about this. Diddly squat, this is another very, very American phrase meaning absolutely nothing. I have not one iota, not an iota, of what you're talking about. An iota is just a tiny little Greek letter, without the dot, but not an iota, nothing at all, not even the smallest bit. And finally, a nice British one, I know sweet Fanny Adams about this. Yeah, I know sweet Fanny Adams about this. So you're going to ask me, who's Fanny Adams? No. Fanny Adams isn't a person. Look at the initials. I know F.A. about this. And that phrase is also used. I know F.A. about this. So, F all. Absolutely nothing. Okay, so here you go. A great selection of words to say nothing. Zip, zilch, nada, zero, nil, naught, sweet F.A. or sweet Fanny Adams, diddly squat. I have not an iota. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Phrases for nothing. Zip, zilch, nada, zero, nil, naught, sweet Fanny Adams, sweet F.A., diddly squat, and not an iota.